Hey, hi everyone. Now let's begin with the interesting topic, right? Now we have seen how we can create a UI. So if I see this step, we have element added and we have multiple steps here, right? So if I go to preview, so this is our step one and we have one element, and on next we have another step where we have multiple elements, right? So these are all UI elements. Now with only UI, we can control how we can display the elements and how we can capture information, but we need to do something with this information, right? Either we need to save this information, or we need to fetch existing information from database. So for doing that, we'll need something which will allow us to do that interactions, right? Communicating with the database or backend. If I go here and I put something, so if I put global or acme, I want to search a account within the Salesforce DB, which name is Acme. And when I click next, it should go do the query, give me the result, which I can display in the next page. So this is very important part, right? Unless we communicate with the backend, we won't be able to have meaning out of it, all these pages, right? So LWC is the one thing, another thing is our point and click OmniScript. So if we want to work with OmniScript, we need to interact with the database, and for that we have another element called data mapper or data raptor. So one element is Omni, which is used to control the UI, whereas there is another element called data mapper or data raptor, which will allow us to do some operations on the database. So if you see here, we have OmniScript, data mapper, integration procedure, and flex card. These are the four building blocks that we call. Okay. So in our next session, we'll talk more about what is a data mapper, what are different types exist within data mapper, and how we can make use of it. Till then, just practice this. Thank you.